most crucial is the ratio, I think, the balance between the ingredients. But I think it's little tweaks that you make that you kind of only gain through using your senses, using touch especially, that can help you shape it towards the most ideal, which is fun. It's also kind of daunting because in the beginning, you don't necessarily have the intuition completely honed yet because it's your first time. What's so attractive about baking, it's that you're always kind of going by feel. Like, it's familiar to you, but it's never exactly the same batch, at least for me. Even though you do everything sort of the same, you make your adjustments here and there. It was part of my Saturday habit to kind of make something. I tried to challenge myself to make something. But then I thought, okay, bread is something different. And once I had a pack of yeast at home, I couldn't stop making it because it's so easy. What I liked about baking is that it's meditative in a way, but you're productive because at the end of it you have something that you can eat, which is even better because you can eat what you make. I think a lot of misconceptions about meditation are that you clear your mind, which in a way you do. You clear it from the clutter, but you're still engaged. You're still present when you meditate. Again, when you're baking, you have to be aware, but once you're used to it, it's almost second nature. Yeah, I don't know if I'm the authority on what constitutes the ideal Pandesal, but I like it. I like that it's bigger. I like that you can stuff more into it. I like, just on a purely aesthetic level, I love how round and regular everything looks. So that's my favorite part. But I think you can't not have the breadcrumbs. Those are super fine, great smelling breadcrumb. Like the way it sticks to your fingers when you eat it. You need that part of it. Does that make sense?